Hey everyone! Welcome back to Midas Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a bunch of newborn pretty products that I just received in the mail. So let's get started. First and foremost, I wanted to say how cool I think their new packaging is. I think it's really cute, and I love the white bottles with their new logo. It's really pretty. As you can see, the first color that I picked out is this absolutely beautiful perfect for Valentine's Day shade. Then I got a bunch of their new cat magnetic gels. These are all in brown and copper shades. I know they're like fall kind of colors, but I'm obsessed with these kinds of colors all year round, so I wanted to have these since they just released these, I think like a month ago or something. They just got to me. I also got this color, which is kind of like a yellowish nude base. I really like it. I have something similar, but I like this a lot. And this is another one of those cat magnetic gels. Of course, as always, you will find everything listed in the description down below, and you can use my code on your order for a discount. These were a whole set, and these are these amber jelly colors, and these are so beautiful. This looks like almost black, right? But it's actually a dark brown, and you will see me apply it later on. It's really beautiful. This is the only shade in the collection that has reflective glitter and gold flakes inside. It's so pretty. CA06 is almost dark, like black, pitch black, but it's actually a brownish gray kind of color. I really like it as well. And then we have one of my absolute favorite colors that I have ever received. Ever. Look at how pretty this is. This looks like wine. It's so beautiful. This is more like a pumpkin color. I like this as well. And lastly, they have this like light orange, almost yellowish shade. I like that a lot. I think I'm gonna use it probably in fall of next year. I also got another one of those rainbow magnetic gels. This is more like a yellowish shade of it. I really like it. It came with the color that you saw before, the yellowish base. This is one of their jelly nude gels, one of my favorite products. You know, I've spoken about these products so much in the past. And then I also got a matte top coat. So yeah, we quickly went through everything, but this is everything that I got. And let's just go ahead and move on to the nail art. So what I went ahead and did is I used two different colors for all of my nails. 3 nails I painted with this like orange shade with the glitter and the flakies inside, and the other 2 nails I painted with the darker brown shade that I told you about earlier. And you can see just how it applies now. It looks black in the bottle, but it's actually such a pretty brown shade. I really like it. And I went ahead and I did 2 coats of all of these colors on my nails. You can go ahead and do a 3rd coat if you want. You can leave them with 2 coats. Anyway, they look really pretty and they have a lot of shades. These were just a collection, the jelly colors, and I like them a lot. For me, like, these kinds of colors are perfect for all year round, even though they're more associated with fall. I'm gonna use them regardless. Then I went ahead and I took my dotting tool and these 3 cat magnetic shades that I showed you in the beginning, and I went ahead and I started painting little hearts in the darker nails, and I used my magnet to make them shine a little more, but since they're cat gels, you know, and they're so pretty. I really like them. I'm just kind of obsessed with anything sparkly and glittery this year. I mean, I always am, but I don't know. Reflective ones and these cat gels are just my favorite. They're so cute. Of course, you can go ahead and cover your entire nail in this color. The cat effect of it is so pretty. These have more like a silver or gold-ish hint to them, and I really like that. I think it's really pretty. And then I used my dotting tool, as you can see, and I just added a few dots here and there. I just wanted them to stand out a little bit from the darker base of the nail. And yeah, these are completely different than what you would expect for Valentine's Day, but I like these colors a lot. I think they're underrated for such holidays. if is it a holiday, I guess. So yeah, I wanted to do something with this kind of brown shades. And for the remaining nails, I went ahead and I took my liner gel and I drew some lines like in the middle of the nail, pretty much, as you can see, parallel to one another. And inside of those lines I added some hearts and little dots, and on top of the dots I added some rhinestones later on. And yeah, I like this. It's not something that I would normally do. It's kind of a different design and it doesn't necessarily make you think of Valentine's Day, but I like it. After curing everything, I went ahead and I added a layer of top coat, and this is going to help me apply the rhinestones later on so that I can just seal them in. And as I told you, I'm going to put them right on top of the little black dots that I made in between the hearts. And I'm going to go ahead and cure everything. Of course, you cannot forget to add some cuticle oil to nourish your cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was shorter than usual, but I really don't have a lot of free time to film longer videos at the moment, and the Pokemon one took a lot of editing, so I hope you liked that one. A big thank you to Born Pretty for all of the products that they send me. I absolutely love them. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!